Hey guys, this is GADGETMIX. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Omega Seamaster 300M, and I just received it from my dealer. Uh, it was not readily available due to the lockdown, but I had to do some persuasion to get it to me. So the box, this is the box, brown box in which it came in. It's very heavy. I've seen some unboxing online, and this is chiefly due to the fact that it comes the watch comes inside a very solid wooden case. This is the real unboxing. This is not a fake Omega. This is real Omega. I have the receipt and all. It cost me a ton, and I bought it for a very special occasion. I may not be able to share it, but let's just say I made a shit ton of money via stocks and stuff. So I was thinking of buying myself a Rolex, but you know, the date one, but the prices, they were black marketing it so much, like 3 to 4x, and they were basically pushing me for the, you know, the $20,000 range models. I didn't want it to do that. I didn't want to do that, so I went for the Omega. And because I also saw the James Bond thriller, and I saw him wearing this very watch, so I went for the Omega Seamaster 300M. So I'm having some trouble opening it. I'm gonna get it open. Let me use my two hands to open it. So there you go. This is what you get after opening the box. This looks so premium. And let's get this brown box out of the way because we don't need it. So this is the box in which it comes in. It looks so good. Look at it. It's so big. It's so heavy. It has a very shiny material with Omega embossed on it. I expect nothing less. And here you find, and this is by the way made of leather as well, you find the pictograms, the master chronometer card, and international warranty card as well. I'm not going to reveal them for privacy reasons. I don't know, maybe I don't want anybody to track me. So how do you open it? So I have seen it in the unboxing video. You have to press it, okay, and then open it like that. There you go. There you get your Omega. Slightly misaligned because of the box. It was you know, tossed around. And this is made of leather, pure leather. Again, these are, I think, metal hinges. You have the Omega logo here. This is the beauty. I went with the one which has a steel bracelet. Earlier I was thinking of, you know, getting the one with the rubber one, and that was cheaper. Like, it was cheaper like by like $1,000 here where I live. But I went for the steel one because I'm a sucker for steel bracelet, and it's a personal preference, but I usually find them more premium. I also like the fact that the Omega, this seal strap has built-in adjustment for the length. So I read that online. So in this pandemic world, I do not have to visit a dealer to reduce the length of the strap. And by the way, I've got pretty thick hands, so I needed very little adjustment, and you can see that. So all you have to do is just push it, and there you go. Now the length, now it's fully extended. Push it, and that's how you adjust the length of the strap. It's very thick. Everything is so solid. Look at this. I love this. I love the bracelet of it over the Rolex Submariner, which is its direct competitor. I also love this deep sea blue color. Just look at the details here. It's so good, and it has date function. If you want the cheaper one, there is a cheaper one with the steel bracelet, and that doesn't come with and that doesn't have this wave effect, and that looks totally unique in person. You gotta see it in your hand in person, how everything is done. Like, you can see that these what do you call them, the time telling dots that you see here, they're all above the surface, which give it a very 3D look, and the finishing is just out of this world. The bracelet is much more superior than the Submariner, which is currently being retailed at like 4x its official retail price. It's very hard to get, so why not get the Omega, which is actually more superior on paper. It has better movement, it is more high tech, and it's the next Bond watch. And you can see it has 300-meter water resistance, so you can take it for swimming. I'm not going to do that. Thank you very much. I got a Seiko for that. But yeah, it's nice to know that it's water resistant, and with /100 feet coaxial master chronograph. Absolutely breathtaking watch. I love the thick clasp on it, and on the back you can see it has a see-through back, just like my $400 Seiko, which is nice. I mean, I like to see what is going around, how everything is working. You can see that it's a diver's watch. Serial number is there. Of course, you can buy a fake one, but you will be lying to yourself. And if you have done something big in life, you have achieved something big in life, you gotta buy yourself a original one, because you cannot cheat yourself, right? So let me show you how it looks on my hand, which is the main reason when I bought the metal one, because it looks, I think, better on my thick hands. So let's see. I will usually wear my watch on the right side, so I'm going to wear it. You can see that I've got thick hands. Don't want to flex, but yeah. So there you go, and let me close the clasp. Yeah, there you go. Nice and thick, just the way I like it. You know what I mean? There's a hidden joke inside it. Nice and thick. It's a very heavy watch, manly watch. If you like, you know, thin watches. By the way, I like thin watches as well. But if you really prefer, you know, thick, manly watch that goes with every single wardrobe out there. If you want to wear it with your jeans and t-shirt, which I usually wear, even for my meetings, this would go just fine. And you just have to wear a blazer over it. It will look fantastic. If you wear a three-piece suit, it will look fantastic. You go for diving, if you're into that, go ahead, do it. It will look fantastic. It will go with everything. So that's my unboxing and review of the Omega Seamaster 300M with metal chases. I have mentioned the reference number in the title and in the description down below, because it will be really stupid to say it out loud on the because I don't want to sound like Brad and Pinion giving reference number out for everything. Where I'm a big fan of that guy though, by the way. So if you are in a market for a luxury watch and if you achieved something big in life and you want to make it memorable, go for this one. Omega Seamaster Professional 300M. It's an excellent watch. You won't regret it. And I personally think the blue one looks better than the black one. That's all about it. If you like this video, and if you like this video, yeah, go ahead. That's all I need from you guys, nothing else. And that will just encourage me to make more of similar videos. I love this watch. Just look at it. Just want to just look at it sometimes. It reminds you of the achievements you made, the hard work that you did, the endless nights you worked. It's like a trophy for me, and I thank God for it. Thank you, God. And thank you, my subscribers. Subscribe to my channel for more watch reviews and gadget reviews like these. More power to you, and more power to me. Bye-bye.